Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best compact clothes dryer. If you need a smart, space-saving drying solution, this model might just change how you do laundry. Let's get started. Product features. Compact and portable design. The Ute DS04 is built for small spaces, fits on a countertop, or mounts on a wall. It's ideal for apartments, dorms, or RVs without compromising capacity. 5 drying modes plus Smart Mode. It offers multiple modes. Smart Mode senses humidity and adjusts time automatically for optimal drying without overdrying. Quiet operation. It operates at just 58 to 62 decibels, quiet enough for conversation or even to run in bedrooms or shared spaces without disturbance. Energy efficient at 850 watts. With 850 watts of power, it balances energy use and performance. You get decent speed without huge electric bills, unlike full-size dryers. 105-degree wide door plus window. The wide 105-degree door opening makes loading and unloading easy. The transparent window lets you peek in without opening and interrupting the cycle. Built-in lint filter. A built-in lint filter captures debris, preventing particles from escaping. This keeps clothes clean and reduces your cleaning chores. Pros: great for small spaces and portable. Smart sensor mode for optimal drying. Quiet operation fits inside living spaces. Reasonable energy use at 850 watts. Easy loading via wide door plus window. Lint filter keeps things tidy. Cons: might take longer on very heavy loads. Not suitable for large households. Requires occasional lint filter cleaning. Performance limited compared to full-size dryers. Final thoughts. The Ute Desi DS04 compact dryer is perfect when you don't have room for full-size machines. It balances quiet performance, smart features, and energy efficiency. If your lifestyle demands smart and compact drying, this is a strong choice. Dry smart, live easy. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more clever home gear picks.